Title: Solar System and Earth. Members: Adrian Dwight P. Bediat, Nino P. Gantalao, Kent Ortega, John Arthur Dugaduga. Why is Pluto not a planet anymore? The International Astronomical Union, IAU, downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a dwarf planet because it did not meet the 3 criteria the IAU uses to define a full-sized planet. Essentially, Pluto meets all the criteria except one: it has not cleared its neighboring region of other objects. As a result of these considerations, the IAU created a new classification for Pluto and similar objects in the solar system. They are now referred to as dwarf planets. This category includes other objects like Eris and Ceres, which are spherical in shape but do not meet the criteria to be considered full-fledged planets. It's important to note that the reclassification of Pluto as a dwarf planet does not diminish its scientific importance or the fascination it holds for astronomers and the public. Pluto continues to be an intriguing object of study and exploration, as demonstrated by the New Horizons mission that provided valuable data about this distant world. The Sun. The Sun is a 4.5 billion-year-old yellow dwarf star, a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium, at the center of our solar system. It's about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, from Earth, and it's our solar system's only star. Without the Sun's energy, life as we know it could not exist on our home planet. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. Here are some key points about the Sun. Structure and composition. The Sun is a massive ball of hot, glowing gas. It is primarily composed of hydrogen, about 74% of its mass, and helium, about 24% of its mass, with trace amounts of other elements. The Sun consists of several layers: the core, radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. Size and mass. The Sun is enormous compared to Earth. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, which is about 109 times the diameter of Earth. In terms of mass, the Sun is approximately 333,000 times more massive than Earth. Energy production. The Sun generates energy through nuclear fusion. In its core, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy is primarily emitted as light and heat. Understanding the Sun is crucial for studying stars in general, as it serves as a representative example of the processes and phenomena occurring in other stars throughout the universe. The planet Earth. The third planet from the Sun, Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. With a radius of 3,959 miles, Earth is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. It's the only one known for sure to have liquid water on its surface. Earth is also unique in terms of monikers. Size and composition. Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles, and a circumference of roughly 40,075 kilometers, 24,901 miles. Atmosphere. Earth has a protective atmosphere that sustains life. The atmosphere is composed primarily of nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, about 21%, along with trace amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and noble gases. Hydrosphere. Earth is the only known planet with abundant liquid water on its surface, making it unique and habitable. Water covers approximately 71% of Earth's surface in the form of oceans. Seas, lakes, rivers, and glaciers. The hydrosphere plays a vital role in climate regulation, transportation, and supporting diverse ecosystems. Landforms. Earth exhibits diverse landforms, including mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, deserts, and canyons. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, reaching 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet. The lowest point is the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean, with a depth of about 11,034 meters, 36,201 feet, below sea level. Biodiversity. Earth is teeming with an incredible array of life forms, making it the most biologically diverse planet known. It supports a wide range of ecosystems, including forests, grasslands, coral reefs, and wetlands. From microscopic organisms to complex animals and plants, Earth hosts a vast array of species, estimated to be millions in number. Geological activity. Earth is geologically active, with tectonic plates that constantly move and interact. This movement results in earthquakes, volcanic activity, and the formation of mountain ranges. Seasons and climate. Earth experiences seasons due to its axial tilt as it orbits the Sun. The planet has various climate zones, including tropical, temperate, and polar regions. Climate patterns are influenced by factors such as solar radiation, atmospheric circulation, ocean currents, and the distribution of land and water. Human civilization. Earth is the birthplace of human civilization. It has supported the development of diverse cultures, societies, and technological advancements. Human activities have had significant impacts on Earth's environment, leading to concerns such as climate change, deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Understanding and protecting the planet is essential for the well-being of all life forms on Earth. It is crucial to promote sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and responsible stewardship of Earth's resources to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Types of plate movements. The movement of the plates creates three types of tectonic boundaries: convergent, where plates move into one another; divergent, where plates move apart; and transform, where plates move sideways in relation to each other. Divergent boundaries. At divergent boundaries, tectonic plates move away from each other. This movement leads to the formation of new crust as magma rises from the underlying mantle to fill the gap. Divergent boundaries often occur along oceanic ridges or rift zones. As the plates separate, volcanic activity and earthquakes can occur. Convergent boundaries. Convergent boundaries are formed when tectonic plates collide or move towards each other. There are three types of convergent boundaries, depending on the types of plates involved. A. Oceanic convergence. When two oceanic plates collide, the denser plate subducts, dives beneath the other plate. This subduction zone can lead to the formation of deep-sea trenches, volcanic arcs, and intense seismic activity. B. Oceanic continental convergence. When an oceanic plate collides with a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate usually subducts beneath the lighter continental plate. This subduction results in the formation of coastal mountain ranges, volcanic activity, and earthquakes. The Andes in South America are an example of an oceanic continental convergence zone. C. Continental convergence. When two continental plates collide, neither plate subducts due to their relatively low density. Instead, the collision causes intense compression and folding, leading to the formation of large mountain ranges. The Himalayas, where the Indian and Eurasian plates are colliding, are an example of a continental-continental convergence zone. Transform boundaries. Transform boundaries occur when two plates slide past each other horizontally. At these boundaries, the plates neither create nor destroy crust but instead grind against each other. Transform boundaries are associated with significant horizontal displacement and are often characterized by intense seismic activity. The San Andreas Fault in California is a well-known transform boundary. These plate movements are driven by the underlying processes in the Earth's mantle, primarily convection currents. The interactions between the tectonic plates at their boundaries shape the Earth, create geological features, and contribute to phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanic activity, and the formation of mountain ranges. Environmental problems. Environmental problem refers to a state in which the order and law of the ecosystem are collapsed as the ecological function it originally had is destroyed due to the influence of human activities.